Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your following too fast or you are following too quickly on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly guys, let me tell you that if it is because of network connection, then you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, and if you are using mobile data, you have to turn off your mobile data, and then you have to turn on the aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it off again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem selected is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on app management, and then you have to tap on app settings, and here is your installed app, and just simply search for TikTok. And from here you have to give the permissions, and then go back, and then you have to clear cache or clear storage, go back, and then you have to tap on force stop the app, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem selected is there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall the app, and then restart your phone, and then reinstall the app, and then you have to open the app and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem selected is there, then what you need to do is just simply tap in your profile here you can see guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply take a screenshot of your problem, and then you have to tap on three lines, and then you have to tap on setting and privacy, and then scroll it down, and here you can see guys, report a problem. Just simply tap on these, and you have to wait for a while from here. After that what you need to do is just simply tap on following too fast. Here you can see guys, just simply tap on this, and after that you have to wait for a while, and then you have to tap on no, and then you have to tap on need more help. And here you have to write this one: fix my problem as per screenshot, thanks. And here you have to select that screenshot, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on report, and your report will be sent to TikTok team, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.